Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8th. Me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed from Bera Foundation College Noshar Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to study about BASIC is a user friendly programming language. BASIC is written in capital letters and BASIC stands for beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. So dear students, this is a user-friendly programming language because this is very easy for new learners. Basic language is one of the high-level language and it has several interesting features. If you recall correctly, it's a good language for beginners and was especially designed for this purpose. This is also known as interactive language and therefore it creates a sense of familiarity between the user and computer. So dear students, any programming language is learned for the purpose to design or develop a software. Whenever you are going to be programmer professional, you will have to concentrate on any programming language. So GW Basic is one of them. That is also known as high level language, and high level language means a user can understand it very easily and he or she can write programs in high level language very easily. After writing programs are converted into a binary language by using compilers as translator. So dear students, this is your lecture and you will have to study this page number 61, and you will have to define GW Basic in your own words. That this is your homework and your lecture is ended, and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students.